Jenna and Jeremy.
In August 2020, we bought an RV.
In September 2020, we sold everything and hit the road full time.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of our incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on post notifications for weekly travel videos.
You can find us on Instagram at Quench Your Adventure. Now on to the good stuff. In our last adventure, we enjoyed Washington's very first state park, Larabee State Park, located in Bellingham, Washington. The remaining area of Washington that we want to explore is the Olympic Peninsula, which we're saving for when my brother and sister-in-law visit in early October. It's now late September, and we have just enough time to dip into Oregon for a few days, a state neither Jenna or I have ever visited. We're heading along the amazing Columbia River Gorge for Multnomah Falls. It's the tallest waterfall in the state of Oregon with a total height of 620 feet and has 2 major drops. It's also the most visited natural recreation site in the Pacific Northwest, seeing more than 2 million people annually. Plenty of people, but worth the stop. There are loads of other falls and recreational areas along this stretch, but we're heading towards Mount Hood to check out Tamanawas Falls. It's a moderate trail about 3.5 miles with almost 600 feet of elevation gain. You'll want at least a couple hours to make sure you can enjoy the falls when you make it to them.
Wow, that's incredible. Look at that, 2 giant trees that fell to create this trail.
I believe this could be the most beautiful waterfall I've ever seen. And I've seen a few waterfalls at 27. The mossy rocks are such a nice shade of green, and I'm a sucker for unique rock formations like the ones surrounding these falls. So glad I could fly the drone to capture this one, and happy we made it with enough light in the sky because we made it back in the dark. Now heading to our place for the night, thanks to our subscription with Harvest Hosts, Montavon's Berries. We showed up in the dark, so it was exciting to wake up and see the place. You can see Mount Hood in the distance, and there were loads of blueberries that we spent an hour picking and the next couple weeks enjoying.
Look at all the blueberries. Yum. Yum, yum, yum.
And a quick hike to Sahaley Falls before continuing around Mount Hood to find rocks to climb at French's Dome.
So we are about to climb here in Oregon. We parked right up here, walked about 30 steps, and look how cool this spot is. There's Jeremy. We're gonna check out this huge rock boulder in this gorgeous Oregon forest. Never been to a rock climbing site that has a picnic table and seating and a little map. This is a really fun spot. We're excited to climb. All right, we've got our little setup going on. We are about to climb here. What is this place called?
French's Dome.
French's Dome near Mount Hood. Let's go.
The climbing routes range in height from 80 to 160 feet, and most are well bolted. The setting here was very tranquil in this old growth forest, and just stopping for a hike would have been worthwhile. We had a great time climbing here, and these were probably some of the longest routes that Jenna made it to the top of, which was very exciting for her.
Jenna is all the way up there. Wait.
And that concludes our 3 days in Oregon. So much to do and see around the Columbia River Gorge area. Absolutely stunning waterfalls, the lovely Mount Hood, and some great climbing, as well as some intense mountain biking at the Sandy Ridge Trail System that I didn't take the GoPro along to capture. So thank you everybody for watching. Please like the video and stick around for the rest of our adventures in Washington before making a huge life transition. See ya.